kids kids, if there is any unwanted file or folder which you want to delete from your computer system, you can delete it very easily. Just have to follow these steps which I am going to tell you. For this, whatever file or folder you want to delete, wherever it is, you just can right click on that, right click on the file or folder which you want to delete. From the list, choose delete. Now the file is not here, now it has been deleted. But after deleting, I came to know that it has been deleted by mistake. Now what to do? You want to restore the file. This also can be done. For restoring, you need to do these steps which I am going to tell you. Can you see this recycle bin icon? Yes, click on this. Oh, that deleted file is here. Now I want to restore it. So what I have to do, I'll just have to right click on this and see. Now I can restore the item. Restore the item, and it has been restored to its place. Now see, वापस आ गई है अपनी जगह पे. Yes, this is what I wanted to, because by mistake I have deleted na. Yes, so this is how you delete and restore the file and folders according to your need.